What if someone filed a deed, mortgage, or lien connected to your property and you did not find out about it until weeks or even months later? You might think no one could interfere with the ownership of your home without having your keys, your permission, or your signature. Unfortunately, property fraud does not always begin at your front door. Sometimes it begins with paperwork. El Paso County is warning homeowners about an increase in fraudulent deeds, mortgages, and other liens being filed without the property owner's knowledge or consent. The good news is that the county now offers a free notification service that can alert you when a document is recorded under your name. In this video, I am going to explain how the service works, what it does not do, how to sign up, and what you should do if you receive an alert that does not look right. Property fraud can happen when someone records a fraudulent deed, mortgage, lien, or other document involving a property they do not legally own. The document might falsely claim that ownership has been transferred. It could attempt to place a debt against the property or create confusion about who owns it. That does not mean a fraudulent filing automatically gives someone legal ownership of your home, but it can create a serious problem that requires time and money to correct. And the longer a false document sits in the public record without being noticed, the more complicated the situation can become. This is especially concerning for properties that are vacant, owned free and clear, or inherited after a family member's death. But every property owner should pay attention. Fraudsters are not famous for respecting demographic boundaries. The El Paso County Clerk and Recorder's Office offers what is called the Recording Notification Service. It is completely free to use. After you enroll, the service watches for documents recorded by the El Paso County Clerk and Recorder's Office that match the names you registered. When an exact name match appears on a newly recorded document, the service sends an email alert directly to your inbox. You may register up to 10 names, name variations, or business names under one email address. This is a very powerful feature. Consider the different ways your name could appear, such as your full legal name, a version with your middle initial, or the name of a business or trust that owns the property. Only register names that are relevant to you or property you are authorized to monitor to keep your alerts focused and accurate. Here is the part homeowners need to understand. This service is an early warning system. It does not prevent someone from attempting to record a document. It does not freeze your property title, replace title insurance, or automatically remove a fraudulent filing from the record. The notification also applies only to documents recorded after you subscribe. It won't alert you about something recorded in the past. That is why the county also recommends checking its public recording website at least once a year to confirm that no unauthorized documents exist. Think of this service like a smoke detector. It does not prevent the fire, but getting an early warning can make a huge difference for your safety. Before we go any further, take a moment to save this video. I have included information for the official El Paso County page in the description. Always use the county's official website rather than clicking a registration link from an unfamiliar email, advertisement, or social media message. After you register, send this video to a family member, especially someone who owns a vacant property or might not regularly check email. A 2-minute conversation today could prevent a very expensive and stressful surprise later on. It's worth the talk. And for more straightforward Colorado Springs homeowner information, subscribe to this channel. My goal is to help you protect your property and avoid emergencies. To enroll, visit the Property Protection section of the El Paso County Clerk and Recorder's Office website. It's easy to find. Select the link to register for the Recording Notification Service and enter the email address where you want to receive your alerts. Then add the names or business names you want the system to monitor. Remember, the system looks for exact matches only. Think carefully about how your name appears on your deed. You can review your deed or existing county records if you are unsure. Do not assume one version will cover every variation. Someone named Robert James Smith might have documents under Robert Smith or Robert J. Smith. Once you are registered, watch your inbox and make sure legitimate county notifications do not get buried in your spam or junk folder. Receiving an alert does not automatically mean someone is stealing your home. The document could be perfectly legitimate. It may relate to a sale, refinance, or a legitimate lien release. But whatever you do, do not ignore the alert. Review the information carefully. If you do not recognize it, contact the El Paso County Recording Department immediately. Do not rely only on a phone number or link in an unexpected email. Independently verify the county's contact information on their official website. The Recording Department can be reached at 719-5206-200. It's a good idea to save this number in your phone. The county also lists the email address recweb@elpasoco.com for recording questions, corrections, and disputes. Depending on the situation, you may also need to contact a real estate attorney, your title insurance company, or law enforcement. Move quickly, but do not panic. First, confirm the facts with the county, then involve the appropriate professionals. The notification service should be part of a larger plan. Make sure the El Paso County Assessor has your correct mailing address. Pay attention if property tax bills or other expected mail suddenly stops arriving. This could be a major red flag. If a property is vacant, inspect it regularly or ask someone you trust to watch it while you are away. When property is inherited, work with professionals to update the ownership records correctly and promptly. And be very careful before adding someone to your deed or obtaining a reverse mortgage. These decisions have major legal consequences. Your home is probably one of your largest financial assets. Protecting it involves paying attention to the public records connected to your ownership. El Paso County's recording notification service is free, simple, and can give you valuable time to respond if an unauthorized document appears. Use the official info in the description to enroll today, and then share this video with another El Paso County homeowner you know. If you are considering a major decision involving your property, reach out to me, Juanita Simpkins with Juanita Simpkins Homes. I will help you understand the real estate side and point you toward the appropriate legal or county resources you may need. Subscribe for more Colorado Springs home truths and practical ways to protect your home, because finding out early is far better than finding out at closing.